7 side hustles you can bring with you anywhere in the world. Wouldn't you love to travel and still earn money on the side? These days, it's not as hard as you may think. In this presentation, I'm going to show you 7 location-independent side hustles that you can bring with you anywhere in the world. Number 1. Blogging. Blogging is relatively easy to do. You don't even need perfect grammar and spelling. All you need is your own website. It can be self-hosted, or you can use free blogging platforms like WordPress.com or Blogger. Start publishing your content, gain a following, and eventually monetize your site to start turning a profit. Number 2. Tutoring. If you've got skills you want to share with the world, then tutoring is a great way to make some extra income. For instance, you can teach English online to students in Asia or Europe. You can even do face-to-face tutoring if you've got kids in the neighborhood who can benefit from your expertise. Number 3. Selling online courses. There are many places where you can sell your online courses nowadays. You can use a platform like Udemy or Skillshare. Or, if you don't want these platforms to get a cut of your profits, then you can host your courses on your own website. Number 4. Freelance Writing. From writing web content to speeches, presentations, social media content, and anything that requires the written word, there is a serious demand for good writers. You can join places like Upwork or directly market your writing skills to businesses all over the globe. Number 5. Online surveys. You're probably not going to get rich doing online surveys, but if you could use the extra cash, then this is a good option. You can check out places like Respondent or Swagbucks. Each online survey site have their own rules, so make sure you read up and follow those so you get your payout. Number 6. eBook publishing. If you love to write in your free time, you can write and publish ebooks. You can check out sites like Kindle Direct Publishing and Smashwords. Just like blogging, ebook publishing provides you with an opportunity to earn passive income from work you only did once. Number 7. Social media marketing business. Social media marketing is one of the most powerful ways for people to get to know a brand or business. All you need is an internet connection, and you can work on your social media business no matter where you may be in the world.